Today we see about the topic of fundamentals of operating systems. Contents. First, overview of operating system. Second, types of operating system. Third, functions of operating system. Fourth, modern trend in operating systems. First, overview of operating systems. The operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is a system software that manage all the resources of the computational device, act as an interface between the software and different parts of the computer or the computer hardware, manage the overall resources and the operations of the computer, control and monitor the execution of an all other programs that resides in the computers, which also include application programs and other system softwares of the computer. Example of operating systems are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS, etc. Next, the core function of an operating systems are core function of an operating system include managing the computer hardware resources, enabling user interactions and ensure smooth execution of an applications. The historical evaluation of an operating system traces their development from simple batch processing system to sophisticated and multitasking and multi-user systems. Key components: user interfaces, system utilities, kernel, system libraries. User interface. The user interface allow user to interact with the computer systems typically through graphical user interfaces GUI and command line interfaces CLI. System utilities. System utilities are a software tool that helps manage, maintain, and control system resources such as like file management and system monitoring tool. Kernel. The kernel is the central part of the operating system responsible for managing system resources, memories, and process scheduling. System libraries. System libraries provide essential functions and routines that application use to perform tasks, simplifying the development process. Next, types of operating system can be categorized according to different criteria like whether the operating system is for mobile device or desktop. First, batch operating system. Batch operating system is nothing but the characteristics of batch operating system are execute the batches of tasks without user interactions, optimizing scheduling, and enhance throughput by processing similar tasks together. Use cases common in legacy system for payroll, billing, and end of the day financial processing, where uninterrupted sequential execution is crucial. Next, time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating system allow multiple users to interact with the computers simultaneously by rapid switching between tasks, giving an illusion of parallelism. Example, Unix and Multics are a classic example that enable the resource sharing among many users while ensuring responsive for each. Distributed operating system. The architecture of a this system manage groups of independent computers and present them as a single coherent system, leveraging network communication to coordinate tasks. Advantage: distributed systems provide scalability, fault tolerance, and resource sharing, making them ideal for large scale applications and cloud computing. Challenges include network latency, security concern, and difficulties in maintaining consistency across distributed nodes. Real time operating systems. This type of OS several real-time systems, the time interval required to process respond to input is very small. This time interval is called a response time. Real-time systems are used when their time requirement that are very strictly like missile systems, air traffic control systems, and robotics, etc. There are two types of real-time operating systems. First, hard and soft type. There are two types where hard systems strictly guarantee task completion with deadlines, while soft systems are more flexible. Application include embedded systems, robotics, automotive controls, and any applications requires a precise timing and reliability. Process management. Process management. Process scheduling. Process scheduling involves partitioning tasks for CPU processing to ensure efficient executions and optimal use of resources. Process management. Process scheduling. A process is the instance of a computer program in execution. Scheduling is important in operating system with multiple programming as multiple process might be eligible for running at a time. One of the key responsibility of an operating system is to decide which program will execute on a CPU. Process scheduler are fundamental components of operating system responsible for deciding the order in which process are executed by the CPU. In simple terms, they manage how the CPU allocate its time among multitask or process that are complete for its attention. Process scheduling involves partitioning tasks for CPU processing to ensure efficient execution and optimal use of resources, balancing system loads and ensure process fairness. Multiprocessing allow multi-process to run simultaneously by utilizing the multi CPUs or CPU core, improve system performance and ensure high availability. Memory management mostly involves management of main memory. In the multi-programming computers, the operating system resides in a part of the main memory and the rest is used by multiprocess. The task of subdividing the memory among different processes is called memory management. Memory management is a method in operating system to manage the operation between main memory and disk during process execution. The main aim of memory management is to achieve efficient utilization of paging. Paging is a memory management scheme that eliminates the need of continuous allocation by dividing memory into fixed size page, reduce frame fragmentation, fragmentation, segmentation divide memory into variable sized segment based on logical divisions, enabling more flexible and efficient use of memory and protection mechanism. Virtual memory extends physical memory on to disk storage, allowing execution of large process by managing space through techniques like paging or segmentation. Next, file system management. File organization. File organization refers to the method and structures used to store, retrieve, and manage files on a storage device, optimizing access speed and storage efficiency. Security in file system management involves protecting file from unauthorized access, threat, and corruption through permission encryption and regular backup. Device drivers are specialized softwares that allow the operating system to communicate and interact with the hardware devices, ensuring proper functions and capabilities. I/O controllers. I/O control manage the input and output operation between the computers and peripheral devices, enabling smooth data transfer and device communication. Modern trends in operating systems. Mobile operating system. Android, iOS, security concerns. Android is a popular mobile operating system developed by Google, known for its open source platform and extensive app ecosystem. iOS developed by Apple offer a seamless and secure user experience on a device with a strong security concern. Mobile operating system face various security challenges include malware, data breaches, and privacy issues. Necessity continuous update and strong productivity measure. Cloud operating system. Features. Cloud operating system provide scalable enabling user to run applications and system data remotely while offering benefits such as resource pooling and demand access and metered service. Cloud OS service include infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a PaaS, and software as a service SaaS, enhance flexibility and efficiency for businesses and developers. Open source operating system. Linux distributions varying in the features and use cases offer customizable open source solution for servers, desktop, and embedded systems with popular examples like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Community and supports. The open source community play a crucial role in the development and support of Linux distribution, offering and forms, documentations, and a real-time assistance to foster innovations and collaboration. The open source operating system provide an unparalleled customization options allow used to modify and optimizing the software to meet specific requirement and preference, enhancing performance and efficiency. Thanks.